Hello my babies. So today I am starting out with my BIOSSANCE Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream. Next, I am going in with the SUPERGOOP Unseen Sunscreen. I love this stuff and it's really important to protect your skin from the sun. Next, I am going in with the Cover FX Color Corrector in Peach. I don't always go in with color corrector, but I feel like it really does help on those days when I'm filming content and I just want my skin to look really, really bomb. For foundation, I am using the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I have been loving Rare Beauty lately. All their products just are so velvety smooth on the skin, and I'm obsessed. For concealer, I am using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea AQUACEALER Concealer. This has been my go-to concealer for a couple years now. I feel like the bottle literally never runs out and it always gives me a really nice coverage. I literally love this concealer. This has been my favorite blush lately. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch blush, and this is in the shade Bliss. It always gives me a really beautiful finish, and I just really love that sun-kissed look. To lock everything in place, I am just using the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Setting Powder. This has been my go-to setting powder for the past year and a half, and honestly, it just never fails me. It's a talc-free formula, and I just always seem to reach for it. For contour, I am going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. This is the first time I have ever tried this palette, and honestly, I freaking love it so much. It's really easy to blend out and it's extremely pigmented. There's a lot of fallout, so it can get a little bit messy, but it's worth it because this palette is stunning. I also really love the packaging as well. And even right here you can see that it was looking really harsh, but I literally am able to blend all the contour out and make it look really seamless. For powder blush, I am using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush in the shade Quirky. This has been another one of my favorite blushes because they just always come in really beautiful shades and they just don't fail me. For highlight, I am using the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter. You guys have honestly seen me use this a million times. I don't think I've even hit pan on it yet, but I've been absolutely loving this little blush lighter. For eyes today, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty The New Nudes palette. As you can see, this is a very, very loved palette. First, I am going in with the shade Play. It's just a really, really light neutral color. Next, I am going in with the shade Lace. This palette is just so romantic. I really love using this lilac color on my eyes. It's just so beautiful. Next, I am going in with the shade Daydream. It's just a really beautiful shimmery color. And I find that this shadow actually applies better when I use it with my finger, so that's what I went ahead and did. For brows, I am just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Taupe. This has been my go-to shade for months now. I feel like if I go any darker than this, my brows just look really, really harsh, and I don't like going for that look. I like when my brows look really soft and feathery, so whenever I use this taupe shade, it literally never fails me. Sometimes I just feel like my look isn't complete without adding some faux freckles, and although I do have so many natural freckles on my face, when I add the faux freckles, it really just adds so much like oomph and dimension to the look. Also, my natural freckles are usually covered up by all the makeup, so this is why I like to add some faux freckles to my face. And Again, this just adds so much dimension, especially when filming content and taking photos. It looks amazing. So for liquid liner, I am just using the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. I have been loving this liquid liner lately. I still really love my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, but this one has been really good lately. I also love the packaging. It's so sleek, but yeah, it's really easy to use, and honestly, that's just what I look for when I'm looking for a liquid liner. For eyeliner, I am using the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner in the shade BCC. This is just a really beautiful nude color, and I love to place this in my waterline when I really want my eyes to pop. And excuse the red on my thumb, I think that's blood. I had like a really crazy bloody nose that day. This winter weather is just like really messing with my body. For inner corner highlight, I just went in with the shade Crave. For lip liner, I'm just going in with the KYLIE Cosmetics lip liner in Coconut. For lips, I'm just going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade CAIRO. Honestly, this has been my go-to shade for like 2 years now. It's just so beautiful. It's the perfect nude shade, and I love the way that it looks over a beautiful brown lip liner. For setting spray, I am just using the KYLIE Cosmetics setting spray. I don't really use mascara anymore because I have eyelash extensions, but today I figured I would do some lower lash mascara, and I actually really love how it turned out. I'm just using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And that's it for the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.